Clever Nelly hasn't been the only thing we've done to embed consumer duty, but the difference with Clever Nelly is that it allows us to test that knowledge and to measure it. And that's gold dust, because, you know, often we need proper statistical, quantitative measures to tell the right and accurate story to the board around what we're doing on consumer duty. And we complement that with the qualitative narratives as well. I think the FCA have been very clear that businesses across financial services have to prove that the outcomes they deliver to customers are good. Repurposing existing MI isn't good enough. It really depends how committed the organisation is to the customer. If the organisation sees the customer outcome as an essential part of their strategy and their growth plans, I think it would be inevitable that tools like Clever Nelly would just be a standard addition to the kit bag or the tool bag. And I would suggest that it's the same thing with outcome testing. In order to test outcomes with customers, it really is important to ask customers how a business is doing against those duty parameters. We've got 4 metrics in our MI dashboard that is going to be part of our board self-assessment, which is obviously due at the end of July 2024. And we've set some parameters for each of those. So in terms of our green, amber, red, in terms of performance scores around Clever Nelly. So that one of the great things about Clever Nelly is it allows us to actually measure, rather than just provide anecdotal evidence. We can measure how successful this consumer duty approach is embedded across the organisation.